Robert. Really quickly wanted to shoot a video to help you with your marketing of Above All Electric. So I was able to find the Google business listing, but when I looked for the website, it didn't show up, so I guess the domain name is expired. Maybe you want to start rebuilding your website. There's also looks like your business listing isn't completely set up. So I'll give you some tips for that as well. So first off, when somebody types in, looks like you're in Long Island. So somebody types in Long Island electrician, the first thing they see is this map pack. So this is going to be the source of a lot of your calls and leads that come to you. The way you can show up in the map pack is by creating a business listing and optimizing it. The way you'd get it to rank higher, first off, is they show up higher depending on the location of the searcher. So if somebody who lives over here searches, then this guy's going to show up higher than this guy. But besides that, there's other ways to manipulate the rankings, and that is by filling out the business listing completely. So there's 700 characters that you can write about your business description. You want to use all 700 characters. You want to add lots and lots of photos. The more photos, the better. Continually updating it with new photos, new posts will help a lot. Also, having all of the services you offer listed as categories is really important as well. This guy's only listed as an electrician, but if you also do HVAC repair or other kinds of work, home repair, anything, heating, cooling, all of those should also be listed as the category, because that will help you be found by all of those. None of these people are very good at their stuff. Google business categories. So I'm not sure exactly what you do. I couldn't really tell because there's no description written, and I could only go off this photo. But it looks like you're an electrician. I don't know if you also do HVAC or HVAC contractor. You definitely want to add that if you do. Or heating, heating contractor, heating equipment maybe, electrician. So yeah, you definitely want to have those categories there if those are your services that you offer. The other thing is adding service areas. You can add in every single area that you're willing to go to, add that as a service area. And then the last thing is getting more reviews. Right now it looked like you have 3 reviews, but none of them actually wrote anything in the review. So you definitely want to ask your customers for reviews more often, because that will help you seem like a more trusted business. People are more willing to click on you. Having a 5-star review and having multiple reviews gives people trust in your business, and it helps you rank. The last thing that will help you rank in the Google Map Pack is getting more citations. When I looked, it looked like your business had like 3 or 4 citations. A citation is a business listing, a directory, anything like Yellow Pages, Facebook, if you had a Facebook page, all those kind of things are considered citations. So every time you make a business profile in one of these websites, it gets indexed by Google, and Google sees you as more of a credible business, and it will rank you higher. So usually when I'm trying to rank for a Google business listing, I'll get 100 to 200 citations, and it will help boost the rankings as well. The next thing I wanted to go over really quickly is if you're interested in redoing your website. Let me show you kind of how website would work. So let's take Long Island electrician and choose whoever. We can look at this guy. See how good of a ranking he has. Oh, he's doing horrible. Okay, I guess that's why he's only ranking in the map pack, not doing ranking in actual Google. Okay, so I'll do this guy. I think I already clicked on him earlier. Pickle Electric. Okay, let's try him. So let's see. I'm trying to find somebody who's doing a good job on SEO so that I can show you an example of what SEO looks like. So this guy's doing okay. He's got 97 visits to his website every month. That's pretty good if you have a good conversion ratio and you are able to turn those people into customers. So here are this Fickle, not that website, this one. So this website, he has, looks like your electrician, residential electricians, but pretty much all of on his page, how Google works is they have bots go and crawl the content and index it. And then that indexed content it determines what it ranks for. So he has the words Long Island electrician in his content on his website at least 3 or 4 times. That's why he is showing up whenever somebody types in electrician Long Island. And so we know statistics about the keywords. So you want to make sure you have the right keywords that have really high search volume and lower competition. This category right here is keyword difficulty. It means how competitive it is, how hard it is to rank a website for that keyword. So it's on a 0 to 100 scale. So his name is really easy to rank for because no one else is going for it. But Long Island electrician, it's a 12 out of 100. So it'd take a bit of work to rank for it. But yeah, there's 150 people searching that every month. He's ranked number 3 right now, and he's getting about 20 from that 150, which isn't that good actually. Usually it's a bit more than that. This one has got a lot. 300 Greenville. Oh, maybe that's a neighborhood. I'm not sure where that is, but anyway, so that's kind of how SEO works. You just get the best keywords, you build content around it, you start ranking for that, and then usually you'll get a percentage of every search that you're ranking for, and it will give you a really consistent income flow or lead generation every month. Usually, you can, once you have it ranking, you'll be able to expect 2 to 3 calls a day depending on your location and search volume. But anyways, that's the basics in SEO, digital marketing. I can go deeper into how to rank a website if you're interested in doing it yourself, or if you have any other questions in the future, just hit me up.